Hello, class. I want to show you how to get started in your business calculus online class. So when you first enter, you should click the welcome to your class message that pops up. And this is what you'll see here. And I'm going to essentially go over these first steps here, 1, 2, and 3. And then there's another video that's going to discuss how to access the modules and do your assignments and complete them by their due date, etc. So after you dismiss your message, go over to your content. And the first thing you'll want to do is take this course. Your screen should look something like this. Okay, when you go to your content, you're going to take this course acceptance acknowledgement, very brief one question. So you'll click that and this panel pops up and you can hit start attempt. And then you just want to accept and submit and submit. And it should say your submission was successful. You don't really need to download that. Just close it. And then you've completed that step. Now you're going to want to look at the course syllabus. I'm going to just point out a couple of things on your course syllabus. Okay, and mainly how to contact me via email here. So instructor information's got my name, my phone number for the office that will contact me in my office. And then I want you to individually or independently read through the course syllabus just to be aware of all that information. But the course schedule down at the bottom, it shows us when we expect these different topics to be discussed and completed. I will also show you the corresponding due dates in your modules. So that's one place to look at your course schedule. All right, so I'm going to let you review the syllabus on your own for the rest. Now, here's the important part here. You have to connect your course to the course materials to begin with. So once you do this one time, you won't have to do it again. So I'm going to click MyLab Course Materials. Takes a sec. Okay, and then we want to choose this courseware option. The right box says courseware. It pops up a panel, and from that panel, we're going to choose Access Courseware. And if you get this little pop-up, you can dismiss it. Next thing you want to click is Open MyLab and Mastering. And it realizes that you have not connected yet, and it says, agree to our terms of service. So accept the terms of service. All right, and now here is where, if you are familiar with Pearson MyLab and you have had a course before, they give you the option here to sign in with the very same email account and password that you've used in the past, and that way it keeps this course under that same umbrella. If you don't have a Pearson account yet, you'll select create an account, and then you'll fill out what email address you want your account to be associated with, and just complete all of this course agreement and agree to the terms again, and then hit create account. And it's going to walk you through several dialogues and questions that you'll have to accept or commit or submit. And eventually you want to click through until you get to something that looks like this: Calculus for Business Economics OL45 Fall 2023. That will be somewhat what your window would look like when you're done. And that way you'll know that you've successfully connected your Blackboard shell to your Pearson course resources. And you can actually just close these tabs out. Okay, and let's go back to this shell here. Now what happens when I collect on the MyLab Course Materials is going to be a little bit different. Okay, so now next time you click on MyLab Course Materials, here's what should happen. You will still want to select the right box. Okay, you're still going to select the courseware and you're still going to hit access courseware, but it should no longer ask you for anything else. It should just take you straight to where you can open MyLab and Mastering. You got some links here. I've got some links you don't have, but you've got these links here where you could go to any of these, but you can also get to the highest level by clicking this. Okay, and you've got things you can get to here like the e-text. And just hit that and hit view e-text. Okay, and this e-text looks exactly like the hard copy book. So if I told you to go to a certain page or section, Introduction to Limits 2.1, and there it is, it's on page 92, both in the hard copy and in this text. Now, I'm going to close all these out again and go back to our tab on the Blackboard.